In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an SSL certificate in HostGator, a crucial step in ensuring your website remains secure for users. This process is designed to be straightforward, so let's dive right in and guide you through every detail to make it seamless. First things first, you need to log in to your HostGator customer portal. This is your starting point and will give you access to all the necessary tools for managing your website and its security features. If you're not sure where to find the portal, simply visit HostGator's website and look for the Login section, typically located at the top right corner. Once logged in, you're ready to embark on the journey of securing your website. Once you're inside the customer portal, direct your attention to the menu and locate the Security tab. This tab is a gateway to all the security-related features and settings. Click on it, and it will reveal a drop-down menu specifically designed to cater to your security needs. Following this, you'll want to select SSL certificates from the list. SSL certificates are vital for creating a secure connection from the server to your visitors, which helps in protecting their sensitive data and adds credibility to your site by displaying the padlock icon in the web browser. By choosing the SSL certificates option, you move closer to making your website safe and trustworthy. Now it's time to click on the Add SSL Certificate button. HostGator offers various plans tailored to different security requirements and budgets. Assess these options carefully and pick the one that best aligns with the nature and purpose of your website. It can be tempting to go for the cheapest or most premium option, but it's essential to consider factors like visitor numbers and the kind of information your website handles. After selecting the right SSL plan, enter your domain name as prompted. This step is crucial as it ties the security services directly to your particular online presence. Double-check the domain name to avoid errors, as a mismatch could complicate the certificate's effectiveness. Once you've entered your domain, proceed to complete the purchase. Follow the payment instructions, ensuring that all your billing information is up to date. After your transaction is successfully processed, you're ready for the next phase. Following your purchase, HostGator will guide you with prompts to install the SSL certificate. Pay close attention to these instructions because the installation process involves setting up the certificate on your domain. HostGator has made these steps clear and user-friendly, but take your time to ensure everything is set up correctly. By following these well-defined steps, you will have successfully installed an SSL certificate in your HostGator account. This not only secures your website, but also adds an extra level of protection for your users' information, thus enhancing trust and credibility. Thank you for joining us, and good luck on your